Welcome everyone to another video. I am SHADAT'S from SHADAT'S. I am back another camera comparison video. Today video about is Mi A3 and Pocophone F1 camera comparison. So guys, start the video. Mi A3 triple camera phone. First one 48 megapixel 1.8 aperture wide, second 8 megapixel 2.2 aperture ultra wide, and last one 2 megapixel depth sensor. On the other hand, Pocophone F1 also dual camera. First one 12 megapixel 1.9 aperture and second 5 megapixel depth sensor. Let's move on video. Mi A3 main camera you can record 4K 30 fps. On the other hand, Pocophone F1 you can record highest 4K 60 fps. Now I can record both camera 4K 30 fps.